morning friends, standard 11 commerce, subject statistics and chapter number 2, that is presentation of data. In last video that we learned about the presentation of data, then frequency, that is continuous frequency distribution, and we have to calculate example related to continuous frequency distribution. And right now we are going to discuss about the next topic of this chapter, and then the topic name is cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, in short it is denoted by CF, that is cumulative frequency distribution. Now we will understand the meaning as well as some example and types related to it. So first of all we are going to discuss about various meaning. So here the sum of frequency, the most important word, that is the sum of frequency up to the value of observation or a class is called cumulative frequency, and its distribution is called cumulative frequency distribution. See, this is the most easiest method. What it says, sum of frequency means that whatever frequencies are given in the example, we have to do the sum. Okay, it means that addition up to our level, up to our observation, that is called cumulative frequency, and the distribution of that particular frequency, that is called cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here again the sum of the frequency up to the value of observation or a class is continuous frequency distribution, continuous frequency, and its distribution is called cumulative frequency distribution. So this is the meaning of cumulative frequency distribution. Again, what it says, it's a sum of frequency. What we have to do? We have to do only sum of that particular frequencies. Okay. Again, two types is there about the continuous frequency, cumulative frequency distribution. What two types is there? Let's see. Here, the sum of frequency up to the specified value of observation or specified upper boundary. Which type of boundary? Upper boundary point is called a less than type of cumulative frequency. What we have to do? We have to check the upper boundary point, and that type of frequency is called less than types of cumulative frequency of that specified value. Whatever specified value that we have to find, that is called less than cumulative frequency distribution. Again, the sum of frequency up to specified value of the observation or specified upper boundary point of class is called less than type of cumulative frequency, and the specified value, whatever value that we have to find, that is called less than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Same as for the more than type of cumulative frequency, same formula, same definition is there, only some words is same. So what is the word? The sum of frequency up to the specified value of observation or specified instead of upper. Now what we have to do? Use lower boundary. Okay, it's opposite of upper boundary, that is the lower boundary point of class. It's more than, up to, not less than, it's a more than type of cumulative frequency, and whatever specified value that we have to find out is called more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. So this is two type of cumulative frequencies there. Number one, that is less than type, and second, that is more than type. In less than type, what we have to consider? Upper boundary point, and in more than, and we have to consider lower boundary point. So this is the types of cumulative frequency distribution. Second one, what is the continuous and discrete frequency, cumulative frequency distribution? So same as here, when the cumulative frequency distribution is obtained by considering the value of discrete variable, when we are considering the discrete variable is called discrete continuous distribution. And here, if the cumulative frequency distribution obtained by considering the boundary point, what we have to include? The boundary point, that is called a continuous cumulative frequency distribution. So here again two definitions is there. Number one, that is discrete cumulative distribution, and second one, that is continuous cumulative frequency distribution. What is discrete? If we are considering discrete variable, that is called a discrete cumulative frequency distribution. And here, if we are considering the boundary point, it means that last point that we have to again consider, that is called a continuous cumulative frequency distribution. So here five types of definition that we have to learn. First of all, that we have to learn about the cumulative frequency distribution, the sum of frequency. Then less than and more than. In less than we have to consider upper boundary point. In more than, then we have to consider lower boundary point. And here in discrete variable, if we are considering the discrete variable, then it's a discrete frequency distribution. And if we are considering the boundary point, then it is called a continuous frequency distribution. So this is the type of cumulative frequency distribution. Now we will take one example related to it, so it can be easily understood. So what is the example? That is example number 6 that I have written expression here. The frequency distribution of number of children in 50 family of a region is as under. So here 50 families are there, those who have children 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to find out less than and more than frequency distribution. What we have to find out? Less than and more than frequency distribution. So here number of children is there, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. And frequency is given 10, 25, 10, 12 and 3. It means that 10 families are there, those who have no child. 25 families are there, those who have one child. 12 families are there, those who have 12 child. 2 child, and 3 families are there, those who have 3 child. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out less than type of frequency. See, in less than type of frequency, what we have to do? We have to calculate this example with the help of this formula. What we have to do? We have to do the summation, because we have to find out the cumulative frequency. It means that how many families are there? Those who have 0 children, that is 10. Okay. Here second one. How many families are there? Those who have less than one or less than one child. See, how many families are there? Those who have one or less than one child. So here less than one child, it means 10 plus one child, it means that 25. Answer is 35. So 35 families are there, those who have one or less than one child. Same as how many families are there? Those who have 2 or less than 2 child. So here 10, 25 plus 12, it's a 37. So 37 families are there. Sorry, 47. Yes, 47 families are there. Those who have 2 or more less than 2 child. And how many families are there? Those who have 3 or less than 3 children. So 10 plus 25 plus 12 plus 3, that is 50. So as we see here, that is all the 50 families are there, those who have 3 or less than 3 children. So in this way, we have to find out the less than type of frequency. So in short, we can say that in less than type of frequency, what we have to do? We have to add one frequency. Same as if we have to find out here more than type of frequency, what we have to do? So here CF, that is frequency. See, again, how many children, how many families are there? Those same as here question is same. Then how many families are there? Those who have 0 or more than 0 children. So all the families are there, those who are either 0 or more than 0. So here we can say that it's a 3, 12, 25 and 10. Total will be 50. Now in second, how many families are there? Those who have 1 or more than 1. Okay, 1 or more than 1. So here 3, 12 and 25. Answer will be 40, because 10 families are there, those who have no children. Here we have to consider one or more than one. Same as how many families are there, those who have two or more than two children. 3 plus 12. So here 15. And how many children are families are there, those who have 3 or more than 3 type of more than 3 children. So here that is 3. So in this way we have to find out less than as well as more than type of frequency distribution. Again, in simple term we can say that in less than type we have to add one frequency. In more than type we have to deduct. In first we have to deduct 10. Consider all. Here consider that we have to deduct 10. Here we have to deduct 25. Here we have to deduct 12. So in this way we have to find out less than as well as more than type of frequency distribution. Okay, write down. So here, after the completion of example number 6, now we are going to discuss about example number 7. So what is the example number 7? A frequency distribution of monthly income of 500 person as is as under obtain less than type and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. So with the help of this example, we have to find out less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. What is the question? Here monthly income is given 25 to 30,000, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. So here monthly income is given in 1000 rupees. Frequency F is given 30, 80, 100, 50, 150, 80, 10. Total 500. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out less than or more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay. So here first of all we have to find out the less than. So what we have to do, first of all we have to do less than type of cumulative frequency distribution. So here that is less than 25. So here as we see that is less than 25, there is no, because all are first 30 is 25 to 30. It means that those persons are there, 30% are there. Minimum income is 25,000. Okay, that is not included here. Here that we have to consider in upper boundary, that we have to take here 25 as here. So here it's 0. Okay, and now here we have to take that is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, that is 55, 60, and here nil. So what we have to do? More than 30, more than 30,000, sorry, less than 30,000, 30 people are there. Then less than 35,000, so already 30 people is there, plus 80 add, so it's a 110. Same as in above example, what we have to do? We have to calculate. Okay. So here that is here 0, so 0 plus 30. Here 0 plus 30 plus 80. Here we have to add 1. So 0, 30 plus 80 plus 100. So it's a 210. So less than 40,000, these all people are there, those who are on less than 40,000 income. Same as 0, 30, 80, 100 plus 50, 260. Because these all people are there, those who have less than 45,000 income. Same as 0, 30, 80, 100, 50 plus 150. Okay, so here answer will be 2, 4, 10. Same as we have to add 1, 0, 30, 80, 100, 50, 150 plus 80, 4, 90, and those people who have less than 60,000 income, all people are there. So 0, say we have to find out less than type of frequency distribution. Okay. Same way we have to find out more than type of frequency distribution. Okay. So here how we can find out? So here again we have to take here. So how many types is there? Those who are on which type of more than 25,000, all the people are there. Those who are on more than 5,000 people, 5,000 income. Okay, so here that we can say that here again we have to change 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, then 55, 60. Here nothing. So here in 25 all the people are there, that we have to add here from bottom 10, 80, 150, 50, 100, 80, 30. It means 500 people are there, those who have earned more than 25,000 income. Now more than 30. See, more than 30 it means that this 30 is not included. So we have to deduct this 30. So all digits are same as it is, but we do not have to write this 30. Answer is 470. Same as more than 35. So it means that this 80 is also deducted right now. So 10, 80, 150, 50, 100. Okay, so here 390. Okay, then after this 100 also deducted, same way here we have to add 1, here we have to deduct 1. So 10, 80, 150, 50 to 90. Same as 10, 80, 150 to 40. Here 10, 80, answer is 90. Here 10, 10, and in last is 0, 0. So this is your answer. In all the things we have to add here 0 if we have to. Okay. So this is the less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. What we have to do? In simple, here we have to deduct 1 and 1. And for the more than type of frequency, we have to deduct 1 and we have to get the answer. Okay? Write down in your notebook. Okay. So here example number 8. What is the example number 8? That is the frequency distribution of daily demand of rooms in a particular restaurant, in a particular hotel, international hotel, during a day is a runner. Obtain the less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution from it. So here what we have to do? Here example is given, that is demand of room. Then after number of days. So demand of room 1 to 50. It means that the demand of 1 to 50. Between 1 to 50 rooms occupied. Number of days, that is 10. Here 20, 51 to 100, 101 to 150, 151 to 200, 201 to 50. Same as day, that is 10, 20, 30, 80, 12. Total is 90 days. That is the data. Now on the basis of this, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find out inclusive into exclusive, and then we have to find out that is less than or more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here I will write here that is demand of rooms, and here frequency f. Okay, so here demand of rooms. Now what I have to do? We have to convert inclusive into exclusive, because Here continuous frequency distribution is there. See 1 to 50, 51 to 100. It's a continuous frequency distribution. 1 to 50, 51 to 50. Here to end. Start from 51. So what we have to do? We have to convert inclusive into exclusive. Okay. How we can find out the easiest method that I teach in the last videos, that we have to deduct 0.5 from here in first, and we have to add 0.5 from the highest boundary. Okay, so here 0.5 to 50.5. We have to deduct here 0.5. We have to add here 0.5. So here first, second 50.5 to 100.5. Then third class 100.5, 150.5. This is now fourth class 150.5, 200.5. This is number 4, and number 5, that is 200.5 and 250.5. And last, that is total. So what we have to do? We have to minus 0.5 from the lower boundary plus 0.5 in the upper boundary. Frequency remains same: 10, 20, 30, 18, 12. Total will be 90. Now, what we have to do? We have to find out less than or and more than frequency distribution. So first of all, we have to find out here less than or equal to. So here 0.5, 50.5, 100.5, 150.5, 200.5. So this is, and here 250.5. Okay, and second type, that is more than and equal to. Again in this, that is it will start from 0.5, 50.5, 100.5, 150.5, 200.5, and here and 250.5, and its total. Okay, so here first of all I will draw whole table, and then we will find out the frequency distribution. Okay, and here what we have to find out? Less than type or more than type. So here less than type, cumulative frequency distribution, and here more than type, cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here as we know, less than 0.5, less than 0.5, it's a 0. Okay, 0 days are there, those who have demand of 0.5. So here 0, total will be 0. 50.5, less than 50.5, that is 10. So 0 plus 10, answer will be 10. Same as 1 add 0.10 plus 20, answer will be 30. 0 below 150.5, 0 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30, answer will be 60. 0 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 18, 70, 8. And here 0 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 80 plus 12. Answer will be 90. So this is the less than type of cumulative frequency. I have to calculate on the base same as example number 7 and 6. Same here more than, so more than 0.5 all. So 0 plus 12 plus 18 30 20 10. Answer will be 90. So 90 to 90 days more than 0.90 demand is there. Now what we have to do? We have to deduct one things. 0, 12, 18, 30, 20. Answer will be 80. 0, 12, 18, 30. Answer will be 60. 0, 12, 18. Answer will be 30. 0, 12, 12. And here 0, 0. So this is the calculation which shows we have to convert inclusive into exclusive firstly, and then after we have to find out the less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, why we are not considering? Because here continuous frequency distribution we have to convert. How we can convert? 0.5, then we have to deduct from here 0.5, here we have to add 0.5. In this way we have to find out the inclusive into the exclusive, and then we have to find out less than and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution. So this is the example number 6 to 8, that is cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, thank you.